Chef Mommy in the house. Chef Mommy in the house. Chef Mommy in the house.
She's the Chef Mommy. Chef Mommy in the house.
Hi guys, today this is Chef Mommy and my mom's gonna be here in a second. And Chef Mommy!
Are you okay? Oh boy, man down.
Okay, we're back.
All right, we're back, and somebody likes to talk. So, Clark, it's hard to believe that Clark was not feeling well today. Are you faking? No, but you're feeling better?
Yeah.
Yeah. What was wrong? What was the matter?
My stomach was hurting really bad.
Oh man. This week at school, well, last week, Charlie came home with a stomach bug. He didn't feel well. He threw up a couple of times. You guys all know that, well, in our house, they go to school and around October, November, you guys tend to bring something really nasty. Yes.
November.
Your birthday month. Yes. They tend to bring something home really nasty, a stomach bug, or even before we had kids, Colin and I would be sick like at least once a year with the stomach flu. Ugh. So today, usually when we get sick and we're not feeling well, we juice. We juice. And Clark.
Wait, Jinx.
Jinx again. Clark really likes to juice, right?
Yes.
Yes. So this is my number one juicing man. Clark, tell everybody how old you are.
Wait.
No, with your mouth.
Wait.
With your mouth.
6. And my birthday's in November.
Yes, your birthday is coming
I'm
up.
7.
You're gonna be 7. I want some juice and some things that's good when you have a stomach bug.
7.
Yes. This is
star fruit?
Yes, this is star fruit because star fruit is good if you have diarrhea, which, you know, sometimes you do when you have a stomach bug. And I have some grapes, which I was reading about. I read that grapes are good when you have tummy issues. I also read something that's anti-diarrhea is that helps with diarrhea.
I don't want to know. Can we eat one?
Pomegranate seeds. Pomegranate seeds. I have some lemon.
My lips are sour right now.
We got one that was kind of sour, so we won't put too many of those in it. We have lemons. What else do we have, Clark? We have pineapple. Ginger, and what is our magic ingredient today that we're gonna use? What? Our magic ingredient today is called, hold on a second.
Charcoal. That's what it's called?
Yes. It is activated charcoal, and I think that everybody should have some activated charcoal. Hello, that's kind of loud. I'm not talking. Activated charcoal. So we're gonna make some charcoal lemonade today, and see if this can get our tummy back into balance and feeling better. You ready, Clark? If you have an upset tummy, sometimes you may not want to drink anything. So if you can get them even to do a small shot of it, then I think it will be good. And it'll probably be good for this guy too. Your stomach still hurts? Okay, let's get to juicing this, guys. If you've never had star fruit, it has like a citrusy taste.
I love stars.
I do too.
The lemon milk. No, the juice.
Because after all, this is gonna be a charcoal lemonade. We are ready. When we juiced all of that, it gave us about, we filled up maybe a little bit more of this, but he's been drinking it.
Give me some.
Clark does not like to swallow pills, or else we would just swallow this. We wouldn't have to make this a lemonade. But this is one pill of activated charcoal, and we're gonna make you a Darth Vader lemonade.
Put some lemonade.
Charcoal lemonade, and now we're gonna put some of this in there.
No, I want to mix. No, that's not.
Woo!
I want to mix
And
it.
now I'm gonna. Okay, you mix it.
I'm not drinking all of it.
Okay, drink it all. It'll make your tummy better. It don't taste bad, right? Charcoal tastes like nothing. Can you drink it all back?
No, this is a taste test.
It's a taste test. Drink, 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 drink. Thanks for joining me. And thanks for telling everybody what we're doing when we're sick. He was really pitiful early. That's why I wrote a sad song about it. But now, we're all better now.
Okay, okay.
Thank you. See you guys again. Remember, you are not defeated. Nothing is bigger than you. You can do all things through Christ. Who what? Who what? I don't feel well. I feel sick. It's like I got the curse or the ick. Mommy, break the juice around and make me something good. Then I know I'll feel better soon, soon. Feel better soon.